that's it. I'm gonna do it. It's in this box. One moment, please. There she is. Time to Barbie-fy. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this pink makeup look. I had a wig on, but it got really hot because it's like 90 degrees here. So now the wig is on the floor. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Here's how to be a super cute kawaii Barbie doll. So yeah, with a disheveled plastic wig, like you find most Barbie dolls, and cute makeup. So yeah, let's get started. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stuff. This video took a lot of work and I'm sweating, so yeah, bye. Well, not bye, hello. You know what I mean. Anyway, let's get started on this super cute Barbie makeup tutorial. Got my little kawaii mirror here. It's super dusty. I just cleaned, I feel like. Maybe that was like last summer or something. But yeah, let's start off with some foundation. I know I need to get new foundation. Just don't want to throw away something when it's still pretty good to use. So yeah. Blendy blend. The last time I did makeup for a graduation party, I rubbed it in with my hands and then I blended it out with the beauty blender and it looked really good because I've seen some people do that. Yeah, I'm gonna continue to blend. Then I'm gonna go ahead in with some concealer. I just ate a orange for a snack and it was really yummy. Yes. I know that has nothing to do with the video, but organic oranges are good. Eat your vegetables, kids. So then I went ahead and used my little contour kit and contoured my face. And here I am being a goof with it. And yeah, then I added blush like show, yep. Now it's time for wait. I forgot blush. You guys wouldn't believe what happened to my blush. So you know this blush I love and I use? So Peachy by Too Faced. You're not ready for this, what happened last time I was doing it. Well, now it's sticking, but the little compartment thing fell out. I was like, what? So yeah, just gonna go ahead and a lot of blush. Barbie's makeup is always, well, so extra. No puns to the new doll intended. Especially in the 80s dolls. So a lot of blush is needed. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now it's time for eyeshadow. Maybe these two? These two NYX palettes, I use them all the time, like in every video at this point. They're so fun. And they're happy, so yeah, where's my eyeshadow brush? Rare. Okay, so I'm gonna put pink on the outer part of my eye up to my eyebrow. Like so. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pink on the top part of my, not in my crease, but like here. The pink's gonna go here, yep. Up on near my eyebrow. You're gonna wanna put the pink up near your eyebrow, and then you're gonna wanna take blue. Ooh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it with this glittery blue right here. Yep. And on the crease. Yes. How's that? Needs more glitter, obvi, but yes, it's looking lovely. My Little Pony, Color Pop, Sunbeam. Love this stuff. There's an airplane, airplane, airplane. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do eyeliner and mascara. So here's what I came up with. I got a little mascara under my eye. I just put some foundation on it. It's fine. Whatever. I wonder if I should do some cute little hearts by the side. Let's give it a shot. Just like some teeny tiny hearts. Just like, what do you guys think? I don't know, it looks kind of cute. Well, yeah, that's the eyeshadow. I guess it's time for lipstick. I'm just gonna be using this one with some gloss. The Too Faced Pink with a Wink. Very, very Barbie pink. Ooh, let's mix a bunch of pinks. I forgot I had this Urban Decay one. So, I guess it's time for the wig. So, be right back. Why is the popcorn machine running? Anyway, my sister's downstairs running the popcorn machine if you hear that. But, what do you guys think? Do I look like Barbie? Or do I look like an emo kid? I don't know, I think I kind of look like an emo kid. My hair is in the back here, you can see it. It's hard to wear a wig when you have such long hair as me. But, if you guys liked it, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And, sorry I look like an emo kid. I kind of look like Barbie. I want to put on my rock glasses right now. You know what I look more like? A rock star. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. I can't see past these bangs. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Ooh, I'm so cool. Okay, that's it. I'm so cool. Yeah, and obviously so very humble. But when you have... Okay, yeah. Bye, guys! Barbie, Barbie, Barbie. Now I really look like a rock star.